My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk you through a 2024 Beneteau Antares 8. This boat does have, starting up here on the outside, a bow thruster. And is powered by a single Mercury 225 with digital throttle and shift. So it is nice, even though it is a smaller boat, to have that bow thruster to be able to maneuver much easier. Stepping on board, easy boarding on the starboard side. There is also a platform on the port side. And with the boarding access door to starboard. And this seat slides forward and aft to allow you to raise the motor up out of the water. But then it also obviously opens up the space. And then a nice fold out seat on the port side. It stows away pretty easily. And there is a filler cushion, that's what this is for, to go in this area to make one big lounge seating space. And the floor, access to batteries. And then storage here. The boat does have a bimini top with a full canvas enclosure as well. It's easy getting up to the bow. Plenty of grab rails, easy step up to walk along the gunnel. And then a roof rack on top to store paddle boards or just additional gear. Nice dining on the port side that also converts into a sleeping space. And then this converts into a forward-facing seat. I like it because it's the same height as the captain's chair, so you do get good visibility while you're running the boat. It has Garmin, electronics, GPS, it's your bow thruster control, analog RPM gauge, fuel tank, and then your electric shift. Nice bolstered captain seat. A sink, single burner cooktop, and a refrigerator. And then some additional storage below. A berth down here, as you can see, some of the filler cushions for the cockpit, and then a single berth. And a vacuum flush head. And you have windows on both sides, as well as a sunroof, so you get nice ventilation in the boat while you're running. Or you can completely close yourself in and be protected from the elements. This boat's at our facility in Marblehead. Feel free to reach out to myself or to any of your local SkipperBud's representatives for more information.